or the pivot in and out. And I need this just to show you and to kind of give you a good visual for the center of the circle, because this move can be a little disorienting for people. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let's do that here. So the reason why I'm putting the pivots in and out with the Trichosia series is because it's basically the same type of movement, the right leg going in, the right leg going out. It's kind of the hokey pokey of Messianic dance. Okay, so pivot in and out looks like this. So it's a 4-beat move. If I'm facing into the circle, it's a 4-beat move. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what a pivot in and out looks like. Now it can be confusing for beginners because all of a sudden the teacher or leader is turning, and it can be disorienting, but once you know how to do it, it's very simple. So if you're facing into the circle, let me see. You're going to take your right, I'm just doing legs for now. You're going to take your right foot and put it in. Take your right leg, sorry. So you put your right foot in, and you keep your left leg in place, and then you're going to spin your right leg in front of you to pivot out, like that. And then you're going to keep spinning that way, because then that'll complete the 4 beats. So once you've gone out, then bring it back. And unless the choreographer has decided to put in another in and out or a trichosia, you just kind of stop right there at home base. So we'll do that again. So you're going to put your right leg in, and then pivot in front of you, and then pivot back. Now that's where most people get hung up with an in and out or something like that, or a turn, is which way to spin, basically. And with an in and out, if you remember the leg that you're pivoting with, in this case your right leg, because that's the leg that's going in, you spin that in front of you, and then you'll never get lost. You won't get confused. Just remember to bring it in front of you and you'll be fine. Now with the arms, usually for a pivot in and out, usually it's just the right arm. So this is what it looks like. So when you go in, your right arm goes up, and then when you are crossing over, your arm kind of follows it in a similar motion and just, comes up when you pivot out, and then whatever after that the choreographer has decided. Okay, so we're going to do 3 pivots together, because I want you to get used to doing that. So we're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4. Right pivot, out, do it again, right in, right out. One more time, right in, and then right out. So that is the tutorial for the pivot in and out. Thank you for watching this Trichosia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Trichosia that I have not put into this Trichosia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Trichosia that I did not put into this Trichosia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Trichosia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.